What's up and welcome back. It's TFTest channel. Today Xiaomi Mi CC9 camera test. This phone totally have three cameras. Main camera is a 48 megapixel. Second one is 8 megapixel. Last one is 2 megapixel. This phone normally takes shots on 12 megapixel only. You went to 48 megapixel. Changed on customized settings. It's a normal 12 megapixel. It's looking good. It's not bad. Okay, I'm changed the 48 megapixel on the customized settings. Okay, the wait. Okay, I'm changing the 48 megapixel and it's looking a little bit improved. Okay, just I'm snap the one photo. Okay, and okay, let's look the difference on the building and photo difference. Okay, I'm double tap to zoom. Is a 2x zoom. Quality is good. Okay, more zoom. This is the maximum level zoom and it's not the best, but it's good. It's not bad. And this is the budget segment phone and maximum level viewing. It's not bad for the my future emoji. Yes guys, it's the same as iPhone style emojis here. I really like these emojis. Only face only morphing the emoji styles is looking really amazing. Okay, let's watch the camera samples.
Are we dreaming? 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 Dreaming.